Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we have learnt about prime factors and relation between two numbers and their LCM and SCF. Now we comes next question number 3rd. So let us start question 3rd. Find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. First question 12, 15 and 21. 12, 15 and 21 का LCM और SCF फाइंड करना है, both LCM and SCF. First we have to find the prime factor of 12, 15 and 21. 12 is divided by 2 6 time, 6 divided by 2 3 time, and 3 divided by 3 1 time. Now 15 divided by 3 5 time, 5 divided by 5 1 time, 21 divided by 3 7 time, 7 divided by 7 1 time. So prime factor of 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 15 equals to 3 into 5. 21 equals to 3 into 7. So first we have to find the SCF. SCF जो तीनों में कॉमन होगा वो SCF होगा. To find the SCF, the common factor from 3 prime factorizations, इन तीनों में जो कॉमन है वो SCF होगा. कॉमन इज 3 3 and 3. So 3 to the power 1. So SCF is 3. 2 is here but not here, not here. So SCF only 3. Now we have to find LCM. लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, जितने भी डिजिट है सबको लेके मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, LCM आ जाएगा. 2 मैक्सिमम 2 टाइम्स कम, 2 to the power 2, or we can say 2 into 2. 3 1 time and 1 time into 3. 5 1 time into 5. 7 also 1 time. Multiply by these numbers. 7 5 are 35, 35 3 are 105, 105 into 2 210 and 420. Then LCM will be 420. So this is LCM and this SCF. Now second question 17, 23 and 29. We have to find the SCF and LCM of these numbers by prime factorization method. These are prime numbers. So prime factor of 17 equals to 17 into 1. Prime factor of 23 equals to 23 into 1. Prime factor of 29 equals to 29 into 1. So what is common? So common is 1. So SCF equals to 1. SCF equals to 1 and LCM of prime numbers equals to product of that numbers, product of these numbers. टू और मोर देन 2 प्राइम नंबर्स का जो LCM होता है वो उनका प्रोडक्ट होता है. सो 17 इंटू 23 इंटू 29. Now we will multiply by these numbers. 29 3 जा 87, borrow is 8, and 29 2 जा 58 plus 8 566 and 667 multiply by 17, borrow is 11, 17 6 जा 102 और 11 113, borrow is 11 and 113. So LCM is this. Now becomes next question number third. 8, 9 and 25 का LCM and SCM फाइंड करना है. LCM and SCF. 2 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 equals 4 time, 4 divided by 2 2 time, and 2 divided by 2 1 time. 9 divided by 3 3 time, and 3 divided by 3 1 time, and 25 divided by 5 5 time, and 5 divided by 5. Prime factor of 8 equals to 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factor of 9 equals to 3 into 3. Prime factor of 25 equals to 5 into 5. Then SCF equals to, what is common? 2 is here but not here, and nothing, and 3 not common, 5 also not common, so only 1 is common, so SCF is 1. LCM, we will multiply all factors. 2 3 times here, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2 times, and 5 also 2 times. Then LCM will be 5 5 जा 25, 25 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9, 18 18 2 जा 36, 72 into 5 5 जा 25. Then LCM will be 25 2 जा 50, 0, borrow is 5, 25 7 जा 175, and 5 180. Then LCM is this 1800, and SCF is 1. Now comes next question number 4. Given that SCF of 306 and 657 equals to 9, this means two numbers, one is 306 and second one 657, and SCF is this is N1, this is N2, and this SCF, and find the value of LCM. I was told in previous videos relation between two numbers and their LCM and SCM. Then LCM was this N1 into N2 upon SCF. LCM equals to N1 first number 306 into N2 second number 657 upon SCF 9. 9 7 जा 63. Remainder 2. Take 7, then new number 27 divided by 9 3 times. Then LCM equals to, then LCM will be 306 multiplied by 73. That will be 22,338. Then LCM of these numbers equals to this. This is our answer.